Welcome back. In this video we're going to be concentrating on getting our navigation up and running. So because WordPress and Bootstrap use different custom classes for the menu setup, we need to include a way of converting our Bootstrap classes to WordPress. Now luckily somebody's already created a useful tool called the Bootstrap navwalker. So if you go over to Google and have a search for Bootstrap navwalker, and then you should get the first link, which is the GitHub page. And you can see that the navwalker is a custom WordPress navwalker class to implement Twitter Bootstrap into our WordPress custom themes. So we can start by hitting the download button. And it should download quite quick, it's just a zip file. And then if you go down to the installation. So the installation is pretty simple to follow. We start by copying the function, so copy that and then head over to the functions.php, and this is going to be included within the Tranquil WP setup function. So just underneath the title tag function, paste that in. And this includes the navwalker file into our project. So back over to the browser, and then for the usage, copy the navwalker array. And then go over to a text editor, into the header.php. And if we locate the navigation, so we need to find the main navigation, which is on the home page, which has the links for the index page, the blog, and also the latest news. So we need to replace the full unordered list. So we can delete all of this section, but make sure you leave the surrounding div with the class of collapse, and then paste in the array between these tags. And we'll just tidy this up a little bit. So this array correctly formats our WordPress theme to include a Bootstrap drop-down menu. So we can leave all the defaults as they are on the right hand side. The only thing we need to change is the menu class. So our Bootstrap menu classes were nav, navbar nav, and then also navbar right, because our menu was right aligned. So everything else we can leave as default. Then back over to the browser. Next we need to register the menu. So copy the register nav menus and then into functions.php. Just below where we've included the navigation walker link, just below that we can paste this in there. And this registers the navigation with the theme. So we'll just tidy this up. And then change the theme name to Tranquil WP. And save that. So this sets the menu with the home link and the blog links at the top of the web page to be our primary menu. And we'll come back to this later on in the course and we'll register the footer menus. Okay, and the last thing we need to do is, hopefully that's downloaded for you now. So head to your downloads and then unzip the package that we just downloaded. And open that up. And then we need to drag the PHP file into our custom theme. Then also open up your theme folder. And then drag inside the PHP folder. And paste that in at the root directory, the same as the index page. And we can delete that now. So now that should all be working. So if we go to the text editor and then save that, and then into Chrome and into WordPress, and then refresh WordPress, and then we can create our main menu. So in the dashboard on the left hand side, go to Appearance and then Menus, and then create a menu. And then change the menu name to main menu. And then scroll down. We need to check the two boxes at the bottom. And this makes sure that the main menu is the primary menu. And also that the new pages that we create automatically get added to the menu. So save that. And then let's visit the site and see if the menu is working okay. Okay, so our menu's working. We can see it's appeared at the top of the page. So we've only got the home and the sample page link for now, because we haven't created the blog or the latest news section. But that's fine, that means everything is working correctly. So that's it, we'll leave this video for now. So I'll see you in the next video, where we'll fix all the links for the images.